Tarea 4, producción oral, curso inglés A2, tutora Tatiana Lozano. What is your name? My name is Julián Eutoro Velandia Moreno. How old are you? I am 24 years old. When do you live? I am live in Sisga. Where are you from? I am from Chuconta, Cundinamarca. What are you studying? He is studying technology in production animals. What is your group number? 42, English A2. Hello dear Aunt Nancy. I am glad to tell you that we were with my parents in the department of Boyacá, Colombia, at Christmas, observing to the life of Boyacá Bride, where we made a tour of the area, where a series of beautiful figures and light were sometimes handled to sculpture alluding to the history of the place. We entered the place in the afternoon with wait for 8 a.m. to arrive to enjoy the lights during the time we were visit to the cyclogram to learn more about the history of the battle on Boyacá. We have left the cyclogram, it was cold. We went into the food area and had panel with cheese and arepa. The wind continued with the tour. We took some pictures and said goodbye to the great place with a nice memory.